Are you ready to draw cute sadness together? Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. And let's start. First, draw 2 big ovals for the eyes. Whenever you need, pause the video and draw. Now inside each eye, draw 2 small white circles for the eyes. Inside each eye, draw a small dot for the sparkle, then a circle for the pupil. Now, color in the rest of the pupil to make it dark and bright. Leave the little circles white so the eyes look bright and cute. Step 2. The glasses. Draw a big circle around each eye to make the glasses. Then, draw the outer curves of the glasses. Finally, draw a small bridge to connect them across the nose. Step 3. The face. Draw a little curve for her nose and a gentle, sad line for her mouth. Now let's draw eyebrows. Step 4. The hair and face shape. Draw the lines inside her hair. And a soft curve under her face. Then, draw the top part of her hair and add some small details to make it look real. Make it flow to the side with a little curl. Step 5. The sweater and arms. Draw her cozy sweater and add her arms on the sides. You are doing amazing! Whenever you need, pause the video and draw. Make sure to finish all the lines to complete the shape. See, drawing is fun, right? Step 6. The feet. Finally, draw her 2 little feet and her simple shoes at the bottom. All done! You have a beautiful drawing of sadness. You can color your drawing, just like the reference picture. And we're done! If you like this video, please like, turn on the bell, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.